Hello everyone. Today's topic that is both timely and timeless, a topic that speaks to the heart of humanity, equality and dignity, the rights and recognition of the LGBTQ community. So, what is LGBTQ? So, LGBTQ stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer. It is a community of people whose gender identity or sexual orientation differs from the societal norms, often considered traditional, and yet this are people just like you and me, people with dreams, hopes, and struggle and stories. So, why are we talking about LGBTQ rights? So, we talk about LGBTQ rights because for decades, even centuries, this community has been denied basic human rights in many parts of the world. Being gay or transgender was, and in some cases, still is considered a crime. People have been bullied, beaten, rejected by families, denied jobs, or even killed simply because of who they are or whom they love. This is not just a social issue, this is a human right issue. So, understanding gender and sexuality. Let us understand one basic thing. Gender identity is about how you feel inside, whether you identify as a man, woman, both, or neither. Sexual orientation is about whom you are attracted to be it someone of the same gender, opposite gender, or multiple gender. These are not choices like some still believe. No one chooses to be marginalized or discriminated against. These are naturally variations of human identity, just like our skin color, voice, or height. Uh, LGBTQ history. History is filled with brave LGBTQ individuals who dare to live authentically in India before the colonial rule. Transgender people or hijras were respected and had a important place in society. But the British era law, section 377, criminalized same-sex relation, pushing the LGBTQ community into the shadow for more than 150 years. In 2018, the Supreme Court of India made a historical judgment by the discriminating section 377. This was not just a legal win but a moral victory for millions. Internationally, we have milestones like the Stonewall riots in 1969 in the USA, which ignited the LGBTQ rights movement, the legalization of same-sex marriage in countries like Canada, Netherlands, and the USA, the appointment of LGBTQ leaders in the politics, business, and art. Progress is happening, but slowly and unevenly. So, what is the challenges the LGBTQ community faces? Despite all the advancement, the LGBTQ community still faces significant challenges like bullying in school. Many LGBTQ students drop out due to the harassment and job discrimination. People lose job opportunity or promotions because of their gender identity or orientation. Healthcare discrimination. LGBTQ individuals often face bias or lack of knowledge from doctors, and mental health issues due to the rejection. Many suffer from anxiety, depression, or even suicidal thoughts. and lack of legal protection. In many countries, same-sex marriage are still illegal, and transgender people can't access basic identity documents. It's a long road to true equality. Why inclusion matters? Inclusion is not about the special rights; it's about the equal rights. When LGBTQ people are accepted in families, school, offices, and society, they perform better in studies and careers. They are less likely to suffer from mental health issues, and they contribute rich to our culture, creativity, and economy. Most important, they feel safe to be who they are. uh, just imagine a world where no one has to hide their identity, where love is not just by celebrated. What can we do as individuals? You may wonder, I support them, but what can I do? Here, how we can all make a difference. Firstly, educate yourself, learn the right terms, understand the challenges, and break stereotype. And uh, second is, speak up. If you hear homophobic or transphobic jokes, don't laugh, call them out. And be an ally. You don't have to be LGBTQ to support the community. Stand with them. Respect pronouns and identity. If someone wants to be called he, she, or they, respect that. And support LGBTQ organization, volunteer, donate, or amplify their work on social media. And every small acts matter, since help the uh, oppressor or not oppressed. So, a message to the LGBT community, uh, to anyone in the audience or listening to this who identifies as a LGBTQ, please know this: you are valid, you are loved, you are matter. Your identity is not a problem to be fixed, it is a part of the beautiful diversity of human existence. Don't let anyone make you feel lesser for living your truth. So, and laws also need to change, but so do minds. While changing laws is important, changing mindset is even more powerful. A law can protect someone's on paper, but only acceptance can protect someone in real life, in classrooms, homes, temples, offices, and public places. Let us create a society where no one has live in fear. Let us create a world where difference are not just tolerated but respect and celebrated. And at the end, I concluded that the LGBTQ rights movement is not about the creating division. It is about expanding our circle of care, love, and humanity. Being inclusive does not take anything away from anyone. Instead, it adds dignity, justice, and equality for everyone. So today's, let us promise to be open our hearts and minds. Let us promise to be kind. Let us stand not just for tolerance but for acceptance, because love is love, because people are people, and because equality is for everyone. Thank you so much.